Hey everyone, I thought I'd just share with you today a little idea that I had, a technique that I use for unplugging toilets that I thought would be helpful for everybody else. Because sometimes these things get clogged so badly, you're coming back hours later trying to unclog them, just struggling, very frustrated, when all you really need to do is really be able to go at it and not worry about the mess. So let me show you my method. So I'm hoping that if you have a toilet, you will have one of these plungers already. Other than that, really you don't need too much. You need a decent size plastic bag. 2 plastic bags is a good idea. Take that bag and just rip one side of it open. Like that. Now if the bag is big enough, you can just simply fit it right over top of the toilet as it is. So we've got the classic clog, which is the one that the water tends to want to fill up really, really high in your toilet and then kind of drains out really, really slowly. So the usual technique, the one I used to use, was you would, let it do this. You go at it with the plunger and then repeat over and over and over again. Sometimes till late at night, so you had your 2 working washrooms. So with this method though, that doesn't really happen. So let me show it to you. Poke a hole in the bag. Nothing splashes around, and that's the best part of this. You can really go at this hard if you need to, and not have to worry about anything nasty splashing up at your face or around the room. So yes, a little bit of water might drip around. That's easy enough to clean up. So hopefully you found this video helpful. I know I use this method all the time if the kids get into the toilet paper or whatever. So anyways, if you have any other techniques that you guys use that you'd like to share with others, please put that in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate that, and I'm sure other people would as well. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you on the next one.